The next song, even if you have on a suit, Mr. Golden, you can dance in a suit. So we're going to dance to this next song, because this is the big song. You ready for this one? Let it go! Come on, get up, get up! Everybody get up, man! Come on, let's get up! Come on! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Hey, let me go now! Let me go now! Come on, let me go now! Sing it, come on! Let me go now! Let me go now! Hey! Break it down! We come together when the feeling's right. Break it down! And we've been jumping to the morning light. Hey! And if we must go, got to get myself, got to catch this ride. Oh, gotta lose my face. Don't let me ask you to come tonight. Ooh, oh, break it down. And we've been jumping to the morning light. Break it down. And we've been bumping to the morning light. You can find it happens only once a day. Only say stop here. Come on, come on. You must be dancing. You must be dancing. Give it to me now. People coming from the north and south and east and west. So you better be the best man. No like this Saturday. You better not be late. For this woman looking monkey jumping. Break it down. We come together and the feeling's right. Break it down. And we be coming to the morning time.
a purpose on this planet and inspire everyone, each individual to find out. What is my purpose? Why am I here?
One more.
I have two questions that each individual.
Pull back.
One, who am I? 2 years. Where did I come from?
The ladies.
Why am I here? And 4, where am I going? Every individual should be able to answer themselves.
One right here and everybody. One right here.
Ladies of reggae.
So
One right here.
I know
One right here.
why I'm here, and it's not yet completed. So that's one of the things that people.
This is awesome.
From the archives of Jimmy Flynn, Nigerian. And of course, we just witnessed performances by Dwight Richards, Tommy T, and Tessanne, of course, extensively with Jimmy Flynn. Put your hands together for them one more time. Come on, give it up. And of course, that beautiful rendition of Reggae Night. That's what